Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Android smartphone as a webcam for Windows 11 PC. So before starting this tutorial, I want you to make sure that you are using the latest version of Windows 11. So to check the version you are using, go to start and type run. Now type here win PER and OK. Now here you will see the build number of your Windows 11. So this is the version I am using. Now let's start the tutorial. Firstly, go to start menu and go to settings. Now go to Bluetooth and devices. Click on mobile devices. Under mobile devices, you will see here allow this PC to access your mobile devices. Turn these settings on and click on manage device and click on sign in. Now sign in using your email account. Once you are signed in to your email account, you can see here the QR code. Now go to Android smartphone, open the Play Store and search for this application name as link to Windows. Install this application first and open. Once the application is successfully installed in your Android smartphone, launch or open it and click on sign it using the QR code on your PC. Scan the QR code which is showing on Windows screen. Type the same code in mobile application also. Click on accept. Once your Android smartphone is successfully connected with your Windows computer, you will see all your set messages on your Windows screen. Just click on continue and enable all these settings. You can see here under my device it is showing battery percentage also. Enable it and use as a connected camera also. Just turn it on. Now close these settings. Once your Android smartphone is connected with your Windows computer, you can use your mobile phone as a webcam for any application that required web camera. So now let's check it. It is connected or not. To see if it is working or not, go to camera application on your Windows, and you will see here the camera is successfully connected. Once the camera or your Android smartphone is connected with your PC as a webcam, you will see the interface on your Android screen. The same interface will be seen in your Android screen. From the Android application, you can switch the camera to front or back by tapping on this icon. So this is how you can use your Android smartphone as a webcam for Windows PC. So if you are new to my channel and if you like this video tutorial and finding this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.